are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Code Fusion Hub. So this is going to be the second video in our TypeScript playlist. In the last video, we covered what TypeScript is and why it's such a powerful tool for developers. Today, we'll be setting up the TypeScript environment. So let's dive right in. In case if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you never miss any update from my any of the playlist. So first of all, for setting up the TypeScript, we need Node.js environment to be set up. So first of all, what we are going to download is the Node.js version. Okay. So I'll give you the link in the description box. I'll be providing all the notes that are created by me in the description box. You can check it out from there to refer them. So this is going to be the link. I'll provide it over there. And we'll just go over here in the installer and download the LTS version. Okay, so we always would go and download the LTS version over here. So we need to install this Node.js and it comes with npm. That is nothing but the Node package manager which we'll use to install TypeScript. Okay, so we'll just download it and install the version over here. Okay, I already have the setup. Okay, already have the setup of this Node.js version. In case if you don't have, you can just go and click on next and just install this. You don't have to change any of the default settings that is present over here. You just have to click on next and install the program. I have already installed it, so I'm just canceling it. You just have to click on install and then finish the installation part over here. Okay. So how do we check that the version is correctly installed or not? So what you have to do is you have to just go in your command prompt. Okay. So you'll just go into the command prompt and here you have to check the node version. So for that you have to use this command and this will give you the current version that is present in your system. Also along with this you get npm together. So you also get the version of npm over here. Okay. So this is the setup of the Node.js and npm. Okay, they both are installed successfully. Now we have to go and install TypeScript. So in case if you want to install TypeScript for a particular project, you can just open the project that you are in the VS Code. Otherwise, what you can do is open the CMD and here and you just have to install the TypeScript globally. Okay, so that you don't need to install it again and again for your multiple projects that you are going to create over here. Okay, so this is the command and you just have to click on enter and it will install TypeScript globally over in your system. Okay, so TypeScript has been installed. We have to check that the correct version is installed or not. So for that this command is present. I'll give you all the commands, all the listing in my notes. You can check it out the notes to refer from there. Okay, so this is the version of TypeScript that we have installed. Now what are we going to do is we are going to create a folder, okay, where we are going to create our first TypeScript project. So what we have to do is open your file explorer, okay, take any of the path you want, create a new folder over here. Let's say I'll put it as lecture 2, okay, and into this I am going to create a new project. Okay, so I'll just navigate here in the CMD for this path over here. Okay, and then I'll just open it in the VS Code. I've opened the folder here in the VS Code. Okay. Now what are we going to do is open the terminal. You can use this for opening the new terminal. And we are going to now use npm init y. Okay, now why is this command used for? You can see there was nothing present over here initially. Then comes a basic package.json file, which is essential for managing all the dependencies that are required for your project. So by using this command, okay, you just install all the basic dependencies that are required for your project over here. Okay, so you just have installed that. And now what are we going to do is we are going to add a tsconfig.json file. Now what is it? Why is it important? This file is important because it allows us like how you configure the TypeScript, how configuration works in any TypeScript project. So to create that file, what we have to use is this command, that is tsc init. Okay. So now this is going to create a tsconfig.json file. Okay, and it has multiple options over here that has been provided, but you don't have to change any of them. You have to keep these files as it is. You don't need to make any of the changes, because it allows you to configure the TypeScript which is present in your project. So you don't have to update, edit anything in this. You just have to keep this file so that it has all the basic dependencies and configuration to run your project successfully. These are all the default settings that you have to leave it upon there only. For advanced, you can in future, if you need anything to be add or edited, you can do it accordingly, but rest you don't have to touch these two files. Okay guys, so this was all about today's video. I hope you understood how do you set up the environment. In case if you are facing any issue, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll reach out to you as soon as I can. And make sure if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with all your friends and colleagues too. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any update. Till then, take care. Bye bye.